In this tutorial, I'll show you how to switch to dark mode on TradingView app. By the end, you'll have dark mode enabled in the TradingView app, and you'll see where to switch on the dark theme on the TradingView desktop website as well. First, open the TradingView app on your device. On the home screen, look at the bottom navigation bar and tap the menu, the 3 lines icon. This opens the main app menu so you can access your settings. Next, tap the settings gear icon, which is often in the top right. If you're following along on a screen recording, you'll see me tap the gear to enter the settings panel. Now locate the dark theme toggle. You'll see a simple switch labeled dark theme. Tap the switch to turn it on. As soon as you enable it, the app interface will switch to a darker background, including charts, menus and panels. So this change only affects appearance. It doesn't modify any of your charts, watch lists or alerts. If the screen momentarily flashes while applying the theme, that's normal. At this point, your TradingView app is in dark mode and ready to use. If you also use TradingView on a computer, here's how to enable the same look on the desktop website. On the TradingView website, click your profile icon or your profile name in the top left corner. This opens the Quick Account menu with appearance options. From here, click the dark theme toggle switch to enable it. The site will immediately switch to the dark theme across the interface and charting areas. Just like on the app, this only changes the visual theme, not your data or settings. You can continue working with your charts right away. And the darker background should be active throughout your browsing session. That's it. You opened the TradingView app, went into the menu from the bottom navigation bar, tapped the settings gear icon and turned on the dark theme toggle. Then on the desktop website, you clicked your profile icon or name in the top left and enabled the dark theme toggle there as well. Your TradingView app and, if you use it, the desktop website are now set to dark mode and ready to go. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.